Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. AirDrop is an ad hoc network service in the iOS and Mac OS operating system which allows you to transfer files among the supported computers and iOS devices via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi without mail or mass storage devices. AirDrop has been one of iPhone's users' favorite features since its launch, making it easy to instantly share photos, videos, and files with nearby Apple devices. However, many of you reflect an issue AirDrop not working on iPhone. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop not working issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Insecure the proper operation of AirDrop on iPhone. It is necessary to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So when you have the problem with AirDrop on iPhone, your first thought is to check if both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your device are in good condition. After this, then you have to do is turn off personal hotspot. Another factor contributing to AirDrop working failure on your devices is the personal hotspot. If you enable personal hotspot while using AirDrop, then it will prevent the AirDrop from working. That's because personal hotspot feature also depends on the Wi-Fi network. So you have to make sure that personal hotspot is disabled. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. If the iPhone runs for too long, the iPhone will run slowly and AirDrop may crash. So you have to do is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is insecure that iPhone is unlocked. A logged iPhone is not a device that can use AirDrop to receive files. If you want an AirDrop with others, ensure that both phones during this activity are turned on and unlocked. So guys, after this step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is bring both devices closer. Since there is a distance limitation of AirDrop, the distance between two devices should be within 30 feet. Considering AirDrop is entirely run via Bluetooth without internet access. If the devices are too far apart, they won't receive each other's signals. If your AirDrop is not working on iPhone, I would suggest you bring both devices closer. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset your network settings. As you may know, if there is something bad with your Wi-Fi connection, then iPhone AirDrop will not be able to function properly. Another resort to resolve it is restoring all network settings on your iPhone to default state. This method applies to all issues resulting from network failures, so your AirDrop issue can also be tackled. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.